GABA is a calming messenger produced in our brains. GABA has a calming effect of reducing stress and relieving anxiety. GABA helps us feel less overwhelmed and more stable in the face of stress and pressure. What is GABA? GABA is an abbreviation name of a small molecule named gamma-aminobutyric acid. GABA is a neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger in our brains. GABA helps calm the nervous system by blocking certain impulses between nerve cells and slowing down brain activity. GABA decreases nerve hyperactivity associated with anxiety, stress and fear. GABA increases relaxation, reduces stress, relieves anxiety, alleviates pain, and helps us keep a balanced mood. In addition, GABA improves sleep quality because GABA enables the body and mind to relax, fall asleep, and sleep soundly throughout the night. GABA is the inhibitory neurotransmitter in the adult central nervous system. GABA's principal role is reducing neuron excitability and lowering the activity of neural cells in the central nervous system throughout the nervous system. GABA facilitates sleep, reduces physical and mental stress, lowers anxiety, and creates a calm mood by inhibiting neural activity. GABA is essential to the body's overall mental and physical homeostasis and balance of appetite and metabolism. What foods can help our bodies to make GABA? Our bodies make GABA ourselves. All meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products, along with protein-rich plant foods, are also good food sources for our bodies to make GABA.